International Development Program. First, I will take you through what is IDP, how we can help you, and then we take it further. Right? First question from from you. Why you want to study abroad? Hmm?
Higher salary.
Higher salary, good. Exposure, very nice.
India's better living standard.
ये ग्रेजुएट भी सिद्धार्थ है। मेरे को इंडिया में नहीं रहना, बाकी ठीक है। चलो गुड। कहीं भी भेज दो पक्का। और देखो इंडिया, सीरिया। See, exposure, yes, there's a good exposure outside. The studies and we talk about the life standard, big enhanced. Salaries are high, why? Because there's no multiplication. In India, you earn 1 rupee, it's 1 rupee. In Australia, you earn 1 rupee, that is 32 rupees. In UK, you earn 1 rupee, that is 88 rupees. Obviously, money matters. Career also matters, right? What else? Why study abroad?
Better opportunities.
Better opportunities. Yes. The verticals, the flavor of the education is different. If you talk about India, it's more of the studies and the profession, right? If you go out there, they're more of the co-ops, they're more of the practicals. So if in India you want to do a practical, what you have to do? You have to join a director, right? And एक साल तक वो क्या करेगा? बेटा चाय लेके आओ. Happens. I was working with ZTV for 3 years as an assistant director, so I know. It happens. Right? Can you give me any example of an assistant director who's an actor now?
Vicky Kaushal.
Vicky Kaushal, very nice.
Ayushmann Khurrana.
Ayushmann Khurrana,
Siddharth Malhotra.
Siddharth Malhotra.
Varun Dhawan.
And there's a girl also. Okay, very good about it. Bhumi painting.
So you have a
Very vast knowledge. There.
nice. Okay.
So,
Who we are? You need this? No. Okay. Who we are? The IDP, International Development Program, a company established by Australian universities 50 years back to help Australian universities to get international students and to help international students from developing countries to fulfill their dreams of overseas education. So we are helping people from there. Now, till now, we have placed more than 5 lakh students. We place a student every 14 minutes. So the kind of universities, courses, we have everything. And the best part is, what is the best part of IDP? Okay? Anybody? Wild idea? The services are free. Good? Okay. So, there will be no misguiding because there is no interest involved. We are an Australian university body. Our job is to place international students to the university. And not only Australia, it's UK, US, Canada, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, all English speaking countries, right? We are 50% co-owned by Australian universities. We are a public company. We are listed on Australian Stock Exchange. Everybody knows what is stock exchange? What is stock exchange? I didn't know probably. You don't look away. Okay, you know shares?
Yes, sir.
So where we sell and buy shares, shares are nothing but the securities of a company. If you buy a share, you're the owner of the company. So by that logic, Australian public and the University of Australia is our parents, right? We place one student every 14 minutes, as I said. This is the pace IDP is working on. Why to study abroad? And why only IDP? This is the logic behind it. You know, study abroad, if you're earning 1 rupee, that is 54 rupees in Australia, so I told you. But the same way, if the fees is 1 lakh, that is, so multiplication दोनों side से बराबर है, right? So, the scholarships are very important. And if you are a good student, you are a bright student, IDP can help you in that because you're the partners of the university. Even UK, US, Canada you talk about, lot of universities are having a cohort for IDP. Canadian University has 900 seats for IDP this year only. So every year there's a different quota for IDP. So that way IDP can help you in getting those seats, and if you're a good student, you have good academic records, what will happen? You'll get good economical, financial benefits. 50% scholarship. It's a big thing. Why it's a big thing? You're going to spend 20 lakhs on a course. 50% scholarship is? Come here. Other than that, there are part-time working opportunities also. IDP is a living network of more than 5 lakh students. What happens when you go through IDP? When you are joined with IDP, there is an individual customer ID created. And now you're a student for life for us. You're in Melbourne, you have a problem, you can contact local IDP office. You're in Canada, you have a problem, you can contact local IDP office. In India only we have 40 offices. Right? So this is the steps you have to follow to go abroad. एक दिन में नहीं होगा. There is a preparation which is involved. Where our counselors help us. They take you through a journey from A to Z. That means from your first counseling to shortlisting to SOP to SOP statement of purpose, which is very much required. Okay, to file a visa. Okay, and a university also do that. Then only you get an offer, right? And then they will take you through the accommodation, the bank accounts, the insurance. You know, health insurance is very important when you go outside. In India, chalta hai kind of thing is there, but outside. Even a simple kind of flu or you will lose lakh rupees in that. So it's always better to be secure than sorry, right? So I'm not discouraging other consultants, but if you go to any consultants, nobody will take you to that deep. You have to take a medical insurance. They hardly bother. Once you're gone, train pe chढ़ गए, उनका काम खत्म. But IDP doesn't stop there. Because our major business happens through referral model. If you're a happy customer, what will you do?
Recommend.
As simple as that. Courses and university selection, application submission, offer acceptance, visa counseling, pre-departure orientation. This step is the most important step. You got your offer letter, right? My counselor is working on that. They have your credentials, they have a portal of their own. They are doing their own job, right? You got the offer letter, you're happy with that, like you got an offer from RMIT. Very top-notch university, right? DK, Monash, you got an offer letter, you're very happy, right? You accepted, you made the payment. अभी आगे क्या? Your parents are very worried. बच्चा है जा रहा है क्या करना? So our counselor है. There's a pre-departure session where we will take you a virtual tour of a university. Plus we'll tell you that what not to do. अचार का डब्बा नहीं लेके जाना है. कितने पैसे लेके जाने हैं? फॉरेक्स कार्ड लेके जाना है. GIC खोलना है ताकि पैसे पहले पहुंच जाएं. In IDP, you are our responsibility. That's why we take it. Right? And that pre-departure session is not for you. It's major for your parents. So it's very much required to accompany one of your parents. Right? बहुत सारे सवाल होते हैं जो मेरे पास आते हैं. Cool? Any questions? Till now? बड़े अच्छे हो यार. Okay, these are the popular destinations we have: Australia, UK, US, Canada, New Zealand, Ireland. New Zealand and Ireland are coming very fast nowadays because of the post-study work visa. Even UK is offering 2 years of post-study work visa. If you see the leaflet on the reverse, 4 years post-study work visa. Everybody says, boss, I have to get a good education, that's why I'm going out. Akka, this is the purpose. So, naturally people go there and get settled because quality of life. What helps them? 1 year, 2 years का course रहेगा, then what? Work visa. The countries are offering work visa to you, where you can work for 2 years. And as I said, whatever you earn there, there's a multiplication which helps you, right? And even during studies, you get 15 to 20, $25 as per the job you get per hour. And you're allowed to work 40 hours. So you can earn your living as well. It's not necessary that your father has to fund 1 crore. It's going to be as low as 10 lakhs. And trust me, earning opportunities are huge. Even if you're working in a departmental store, you are treated with the same respect as head of an institution is treated. Right? So there's life you can look up. Okay, now I would like to ask Ruchika to come and explain you what are the countries, what are the destination available, what are the opportunities, and why a single destination, and what are the courses available.
Hi guys. Good morning. So, sir told you all about IDP, about why we are here, why we are sitting here, why you all guys are devoting your time here. So as of now, I heard no questions till now, but the questions will start from here. And now we are exploring the destination. So why do you think that we are only promoting these 6 countries? There are close to hundreds of nations available. Someone said, I just want to go out of India, so there are, I'm pretty sure कम से कम 50 countries हैं जहाँ पर आप जा सकते हो. Then why are these top 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 से ही जहाँ पे बच्चे सबसे ज़्यादा जाते हैं? Any common answer?
इनको already उसके लिए ज़्यादा scholarship provide करते हैं as compared to rest of the countries.
Second good question. Third good question. Fourth. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, ठीक है? बिकॉज आप अगर इंडिया का डायस्पोरा देखेंगे, दुबई, यूएई इन सब में बहुत ज़्यादा है. बट बीइंग अ स्टूडेंट, जिस टाइप का आपको एक एनवायरनमेंट चाहिए, जिस टाइप का एनवायरनमेंट को आप इजीली अडेप्ट कर सकते हो, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्री. बिकॉज इंडिया में हिंदी के बाद जनरल अगर आप डाउट करें, इस एरिया की डाउट करें, इंग्लिश इज द सेकंड लैंग्वेज दैट यू आर रेडीली यूज्ड टू. So obviously, अगर language barrier कम होगा, you can adapt very easily there. You can understand the culture there. If you understand the culture there, you can work there. You can create your career there. So US, UK, top first and second favorite destinations that students target, followed by Australia, Canada closely, followed by New Zealand and Ireland. Because obviously PR and the work opportunities and the stable options. First and foremost, we are going to study Australia. We're going to just discuss Australia in a brief because IDP is the king for Australian education. IDP is owned by Australian companies, Australian stock exchange market में हमारा नाम है. So we are going to discuss about Australia. So some of the top reasons, Australia education के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा जाना जाता है. Recently Australia welcomed close to 6 lakh students. Okay, आज की डेट में इंडिया अगर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स उनकी बात करें, टॉप फर्स्ट से सेकंड स्टेज पे इंडिया आता ही आता है स्टडी इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Group of 8, you must have heard of Australian University Group of 8, Melbourne, Sydney, Monash, Queensland. These are top 8 Australian institutions, जिसमें बहुत सारे top 100 में आ रही है. Obviously we have got a target कि हमें top 100 में बढ़ना है. Otherwise all later coming into top 150 of the world. So ultimately we are going to study top 150 institutions. Australia, Indian education system, 12 years of school and all BA, BCom, BSc courses of 3 years. So you get easily transformed from that 15 years of education from India to a master's in Australian institutions. Whereas some countries do ask for 16 years of education, जिसके लिए हमको एक साल डिप्लोमा माइट भी करना पड़ सकता है. बट ऑस्ट्रेलिया रेडीली आपके 12+3 मॉडल को एक्सेप्ट करेगा. पार्ट टाइम एंड फुल टाइम वी जस्ट डिस्कस्ड इन ब्रीफ. आप अपने लिविंग एक्सपेंस के लिए, छोटे मोटे पॉकेट मनी के लिए you can easily work part time. You can work in a reputable company in a field that is very much relevant to you. You can earn extra skills and yeah, you will be earning very 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 at a very respected community and a respected wage. वो आपको जरूर मिलेगा. Then ठीक है. Any questions for studying in Australia? This is just a brief discussion that we are having. Obviously later on you will be getting to decide which course is suitable in which country, in which city, which is the university, what is my budget, what is my profile, where do I want to go and what do I want in return. So this is something, a brief introduction that we are going through different discussions. US, whoever thinks of studying abroad, first country that comes into mind is US. Harvard, Princeton, सारी बड़ी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटीज यूएस में हैं. यूएस माइट भी जिसने पॉपुलर किया इंटरनेशनल स्टडी का. So there are so many reasons of studying in the US. The maximum number of universities which are there in world top 100 are in the US. Close to 30 to 40 numbers. Out of 100, 30 to 40% universities are there in the US, which ranks top 100. Okay. US has obviously related skills जहाँ पे employment बहुत ज़्यादा है. US only caters to those courses for international students which are readily employable. जहाँ से आपकी एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती हैं. Career opportunities, UK only offers degree level courses. One just setback that UK recognizes 16 years of education for top universities. So we'll help you with that, कि how to transfer a 15 years of education to a 16 years, so that you can get into a good university in the US. Many US schools offer research opportunities, internship opportunities. After this, if someone has to move ahead with a research or with a PhD, with a doctoral, let's say, fellowship, you can move ahead with research-based university. Diverse experiences. US, we'll say that is a melting pot for different cultures. Obviously, US में immigrants बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. बहुत अच्छा world का talent US में आके आज के डेट में रह रहा है, job कर रहा है, US को world power बना रहा है. So you get to understand different cultures while sitting at one institution, one city. How many states are there in the US? 55? 50? Any other answer? 55? ठीक है. One homework. Next जब भी मिलेंगे पूछेंगे, ठीक है? There are 50, close to 50. There are 52 states in the US. Okay. Some famous states in the US that you have heard of, or some universities that you have heard of. Manchester, I heard. It is in the UK. We'll get to that. You get to make friends from different places. Obviously, you get to make a friend जो किसी और country से जिसका आपने नाम भी नहीं सुना. One reason. ठीक है. My personal favorite studying in the UK. You too? Can you please raise your hands who all are studying interested for UK? Let's say. और थोड़ा. ठीक है. Why UK? I want to hear it from you. Why UK? Just short one. I'm sorry. Yeah. Scholarships. इसके अलावा London undoubtedly. We all love London, right? UK is one such country which is only focused on education. आप अगर abroad जा रहे हैं पढ़ने के लिए जा रहे हैं, UK is the one such country जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ पढ़ाई पे focus करेगी, with keeping in mind the different things a student has to be. All right, your post-study work rights, your employability, your PR, everything. But it is one such country जिसने education को लाया है. The oldest university that we know is University of Oxford, right? University of Oxford, obviously it is there in the UK. हमेशा ये 1, 2, 3 पे ही आया है. हमेशा. जब से ये है, it was there. So again, UK houses some of the oldest universities. So UK and US are always in the fight of top first and top second destinations, not just for Indian students going abroad, but for students worldwide who think of studying abroad, who think of just broadening their horizons of studying abroad. Okay. So strong research infrastructure, obviously, if these universities are highly ranked not because of the ROI, मुझे package कितना मिलेगा. These are highly ranked because of the intensive research that is going on. You get to work on live projects that are going on. आप वहाँ पे काम करके देख रहे हैं कि वहाँ पे क्या-क्या चीज़ चल रही है जो कल को 5 साल बाद आपके वर्ल्ड में लॉन्च हो जाएगी. Daily we are facing so many challenges. Daily we are seeing so many inventions that are going on. Someone is working on that. So these are the universities where people are actually working towards that new thing that is going to be the thing for tomorrow. When you use those things. Landlines होते थे, telephones आए हैं, नए inventions हो रहे, कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं काम कर रहा है. So these are the universities where they are working on live projects and you get to be a part of that. Alright? ठीक है. Multicultural experience, as I said, after US, UK follows. The UK it welcomes the most number of international students. That is why scholarships readily available. If you can just prove to the universities by writing a 500 words essay, why am I a good student for you? Why am I a good student for this program? And IDP, your personalized counsel will help you attain that. What you need to write. Do not write मैंने 10th यहाँ से किया, 12th यहाँ से किया. Obviously something else. So if you can just prove the university, why am I a good candidate for you? Why will you be on an advantage of having me as a student? Then they are not shying away from offering you 50%, 100% scholarships. There are some great scholarships offered by British Council, offered by like Shivling, Commonwealth, जो आपका हर expense cover करने को ready है. आपका पढ़ाई से लेकर आपके living expense से लेकर आपके air travel तक. But you have to prove yourself. All right? Canada? I guess everyone is interested in Canada. Parents सबसे ज़्यादा interested है Canada में. किस लिए interested है? पंजाब. छोटा पंजाब है. अब तो बड़ा हो गया. पंजाब से भी ज़्यादा है. इसके अलावा. कनाडा में पंजाब के अलावा बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. तो कनाडा में institutions हैं. पढ़ाई हो रही है. There are some of the world class institutions which rank top most. कनाडा में 2 चीज़ें famous हैं, universities and colleges. कनाडा में बहुत टॉप नॉच कॉलेजेस हैं जो डिप्लोमास दे रहे हैं which are readily going to land your job. डिप्लोमास कनाडा में उसी कोर्सेज के लिए चलते हैं. हर साल आप देखोगे कुछ डिप्लोमास बंद हो गए, कुछ नए डिप्लोमास इंट्रोड्यूस हो गए हैं जिनकी एक्चुअली डिमांड है कनाडा में भी और दुनिया में भी. So अगर एक डिग्री लेवल कोर्स एक स्पेशलाइज्ड या एक कोर्स चीज पढ़ा रहा है, it is not giving you that specialization. Canada के डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज are offering that kind of specialization, जिसको करने के बाद रेडीली आपके हाथ में 3-4 ऑफर लेटर्स होंगे, जॉब ऑफर्स होंगे. ठीक है. So Canada offers some world-class institutions in terms of universities as well as colleges as well, offering UG diplomas as well as PG diplomas as well, apart from degrees. All right. Wide varieties of courses. Canada also follows the part-time and full-time job opportunities. While you are working, you can work part-time to earn your living, so that it does not become a burden on your parents to send you money every month or every quarter. Ample scholarship programs if you can justify why you are a good student. Cannot say बोला गया तो मुझे नहीं मिली है और बोला गया तो उससे ज़्यादा मिल गई कैसे माना. If you can just prove कि मैं क्यों अच्छा हूँ या मैं क्यों अच्छा. पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क परमिट कनाडा का नंबर 1 रीजन है, लेकिन इसके अलावा भी हमें देखना है. ठीक है. Almost becomes a second home for you. बिल्कुल. New Zealand, let's say a new entrant, an introductory country. Why should anyone decide to study New Zealand? Have you heard in the news anything about New Zealand? UK, US, Canada सभी जानते हैं. Why New Zealand? फैमिली रहती है और anything else? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So New Zealand is one such country obviously compared to UK, US, Canada, mainland Australia. वो वाली opportunities might भी आपको थोड़ी कम मिले, but New Zealand is one such where you want to just lead a life towards some let's say research-based courses, not something related to data science, computer science, not something which is think of today, but something if you want to obviously settling down. अच्छा खासा जॉब करके करियर करके हम लोग सेटल डाउन इन अ कंट्री. न्यूजीलैंड इज द मोस्ट पीसफुल कंट्री दैट वी हैव टुडे, व्हिच इज वेलकमिंग. अभी रिसेंटली न्यूजीलैंड में अटैक हुआ था. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड hugging the persons, the survivors, attack survivors. So New Zealand has always ranked top in World Peace Index. So this is one such country where you are very free, where you are just very safe. You are in safe hands and your parents are free of worry कि क्या होगा वहाँ पे, करियर कैसा होगा. Career is there in New Zealand for certain courses. New Zealand only houses 8 universities which are world top 1% के अंदर. So quality education with peace of mind. कि करियर अच्छा है, लाइफस्टाइल अच्छा है, एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा है, गवर्नमेंट भी अच्छी है. ठीक है. As you mentioned, some good universities, opportunities बहुत अच्छी है न्यूजीलैंड में. They offer आप लोग बैचलर्स कर रहे हैं, मास्टर्स में न्यूजीलैंड only have 1 year masters or 1.5 years of master's degree. You spend less, you get a very ample, very good scholarship, so you're hardly spending 7-8 lakh rupees for a master's level of education as compared to India में पढ़ने के हिसाब से. PR process न्यूजीलैंड का बहुत easy है. I hope next slide में हम discuss करेंगे. You get 3 years of post-study work visa. So you complete your masters, you get 3 years of post-study work visa to look out for a job, to explore different nations, and obviously your migration to Australia is a bit easier if you are in New Zealand. So getting to Australia might be a bit costly. New Zealand might be a gateway to Australia. One of the reasons, obviously. Post-study work permit of 3 years, great package for PhD students, world's second most peaceful country. Again, it ranks very high. All right. And a multicultural society, not a very populous state, so you can live in a very nice environment. Ireland, again my second personal favorite. Have you heard of Ireland? Have you heard of any person, anything from Ireland? Can I just have a few answers? कुछ Ireland में किसी के बारे में सुना है आपने? The Irish? All right. Anything else? Ireland कहाँ पर है? UK में? पास में? UK Ireland का पार्ट है, Ireland UK का पार्ट है. सेम कंट्री है क्या? किंगडम है. आयरलैंड इज पार्ट ऑफ यूके. ठीक है. कैपिटल ऑफ आयरलैंड डबलिन. We did ask for the capitals. Capital of Australia. Canberra. Good. Capital of New Zealand. Wellington. Auckland. Capital of Ireland. Capital of? I'm hearing Ireland. Dublin. Capital of US? Washington DC. Full form of DC? Special prize whoever tells without looking at Wikipedia full form of DC. And capital of Canada, चलो सब लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं.
Toronto.
Ottawa. Toronto is not. Sydney ऑस्ट्रेलिया का कैपिटल नहीं है, मेलबर्न नहीं है, it is Canberra. Canberra. ऑस्ट्रेलिया का कैपिटल है. Washington DC में DC है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कोलंबिया नॉट डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कोलंबिया. ऑलराइट. That's Ireland. Dublin is the capital. Ireland में let's say कुछ बहुत साल पहले, decades पहले, there was some kind of religious issues, religious intolerance. Because of that, the northern part of Ireland got removed from Ireland. जैसे इंडिया से बांग्लादेश अलग हो गया था, पाकिस्तान अलग हो गया था, right? Northern part of Ireland separated itself from the Republic of Ireland and got accumulated in the UK. So UK is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. ये नाम है UK का. So Northern Ireland is part of UK, जहाँ पे पाउंड चलेगा, जहाँ पे UK का वीजा चलेगा. The rest of Ireland is called Republic of Ireland, जो आज की डेट में यूरोपियन यूनियन का हिस्सा है. ठीक है? So Ireland follows the European Union laws and it has euros as its currency. Okay? Ireland, very historic, very beautiful, very peaceful. Okay? So focus on Ireland. ठीक है. Ireland has आपने ऑस्कर वाइल्ड सबने अपने CBSE बुक्स में पढ़ा होगा, right? इनके बहुत सारी poems हैं. जेम्स जॉयस, जॉन विल. Ireland is बहुत ज़्यादा नोबेल लॉरिएट्स आयरलैंड से निकले हैं. Beat any field, not just writing, not just literature, beat any field. Ireland में top 5 ऐसे ऐसे इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, जहाँ पर अगर आप जाओगे और उस फील्ड में पढ़ाई करके अगर आप जॉब के लिए देखोगे, आपको कहीं इंटरव्यू देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. वो यूनिवर्सिटी का सरदर्दी है आपको ऑफर लेटर दिलवाना. सो द नंबर 1 इज बिजनेस. बहुत सारे लोग आपके इसके बाद बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट साइड में जाने का सोच रहे होंगे. नंबर 2 इज ऑब्वियसली IT, डेटा साइंस, कंप्यूटर साइंस, IT इंडस्ट्री. 3 इज इंजीनियरिंग. कंप्यूटर में बीटेक में हम इंजीनियरिंग को हटा दीजिए, बाकी बचता सिविल इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग वो. 4 इज फार्मास्यूटिकल्स. बहुत ज़्यादा फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री आयरलैंड की है. 5th इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. सो जितने भी हमारे लेट्स से मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट, स्टेथोस्कोप हो गया, थर्मामीटर हो गया, ये सारे के सारे की कंपनीज आर सिचुएटेड इन आयरलैंड. सो वी कॉल इट द IT hub of European Union. If you're targeting Europe for anything, Ireland is a gateway because other countries will give the challenge of language barrier. स्पेन जाने स्पेनिश नहीं आएगी तो बात नहीं कर पाओगे. वो नाम के लिए बोलेंगे कि हाँ जी हम इंग्लिश में पढ़ाएंगे आपको, जैसे इंडिया में सरकारी में बोलते हैं कि हमारा इंग्लिश मीडियम है, लेकिन सारी की सारी बात हिंदी में होगी. ठीक है? So it is just for the name से you're getting English medium degree, but you have to learn that local language. फ्रांस में फ्रेंच चलेगा, जर्मनी चलेगा, but Ireland is a gateway to European Union without actually having to learn any extra language. English is their official language. Okay? With Ireland, you are just you are in between UK as well. UK again are one of the most developed nations and with European Union. Okay? So this is about Ireland. Ireland only has 7 universities. All those are top 1% of the universities. These are research driven. So you do not worry कि मेरा research से क्या लेना देना है. रिसर्च होगा तभी रैंक आगे बढ़ेगा, रिसर्च होगा तभी वो कुछ दुनिया को दे पाएंगे, रिसर्च होगा तभी दुनिया की कंपनीज उनमें आना चाहेंगी. कि these students are creative. These are not just rote learning what is already there. So make sure you go to a university which is more research oriented, which is focusing on something which is not already there. Alright? So this is about Ireland and yeah, post-study work rights 2 years. इस पे अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे which you are. So this is something which is very very important and I'll say it is a country comparison sheet. So later on when you decide how to move ahead, which country to decide how to go, you just go through with this. Okay? Do you want me to use a mic or am I loud enough? Loud enough? Right. If you want to just click a photograph, please do.
Yes, sir. This is country comparison sheet. Other than that, we are at sector 18 Noida. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, ठीक है? Any time we drop into our branch. All destination people are there, so they can help you, right? Second, Ruchika in like few minutes she'll be back and she'll take you through the country comparison and the courses available, universities which are top notch, right? So अभी आते हैं favorite topic पे, IELTS की तैयारी कैसे करनी है? हाँ? So you know who's the owner of IELTS? Who's the parent company of IELTS? Anybody?
British Council.
British Council, right? Or okay, there are three parties involved in IELTS. One, IDP Education. IELTS is IDP Education's venture, where British Council helps in marketing, and Cambridge University, you must have heard. Cambridge University is the third partner who designs the curriculum and the testing. Other than that, IELTS देने का तरीका क्या है मालूम है सबको? There are 4 parts of IELTS. She rightly said. Writing,
Speaking,
Speaking,
listening, reading.
और ये कहाँ पे होता है? It's a pen paper test. Everybody knows that. You know. No, it's a study test, computer driven test. No, it is pen and paper test, but that will take so much of time. 2 हफ्ते लग जाते हैं result आने में. The better choices in IDP sector 18 Noida, we have computer driven IELTS. You come, take test, 5 days, you get your result. Easy है, sorted है. अब तैयारी कैसे करनी है? Okay, there are a lot of tools available. Yes, you can take coaching all this, but I tell you, it's not that hard जो हम सोचते हैं. It's simple English, and not even that grammatical English. Simple English. What you speak, what you write in your daily life, that is IELTS. So अगर कहीं doubt है, Play Store पे there's an app, IELTS, IELTS. Download it. All 4 modules are available on that. Practice. ज़्यादा नहीं है, half an hour practice for it. Because IELTS coaching is like 25-30K again, and IELTS is 13K again. So you can prepare yourself, and when you know that you are scoring 8 band, 7 band, 6 band in a particular module, so good to go. You're speaking, writing English from the what? Nursery class? कितने साल हो गए अभी? 15 साल हो गए सबको? Right? So English complete it out. Trust me. You can just No, I was saying. So let's have one meeting. बाकी class हो. ठीक है? Okay, so you can do that. You can prepare on your own, and then you can take that. Fine? Any questions?
Are there other offices in West Delhi?
Yeah, there is an office in West Delhi. It's in Rajouri Garden. So you live in West Delhi? Which place?
Rajouri Garden.
Matlab, everybody was asking, like, where is Mini Punjab in Delhi? West Delhi. And you maybe West Delhi. So you don't have to say. Right? So now Ruchika will take you through the comparison sheet, what offers we have in every country.
How can you apply for scholarships and all?
Scholarship is very easy. Our counselor will do that on your part. Right?
Take care of that part. We are just
Everything coming
on
up, right?
So guys, I'm just going to just discuss 1 minute on this. These are the 6 countries. Obviously, we are going to discuss this in detail. But out of these, package you'll say, मैं randomly बताऊंगी 10 to 20 lakhs. Let's say. For one year of education, we're looking at 10 to 20 lakhs, where we have got students who have just paid nothing for their education because of scholarships. Where we have got students who have paid just 5 lakhs because which courses we fees 4-5 lakhs we pay. So it all depends on the course, on the curriculum, on the is it a lab based, not lab based, and on the university, on the country. So this is the cost, living expense, again 5 to 10 lakhs per annum, with ample of opportunities to work part time and earn post-study work rights, 2 to 4 years. Countries maximum minimum 2 years दे रही हैं, maximum दे रहा है Australia 4 years. There's a condition which area you are living in. If it's a regional area, 4 years. थोड़ा सा urban और regional के बीच में है 3 years, and the major cities, Sydney, Melbourne, major cities जहाँ पे आपने सुना है 2 years of stay. Okay. So this is the say that part-time, yes, 20 hours while you are working per week, 40 hours in a vacation, holidays, vacations, जब होता है. Out of 12 months, you are only studying for 9 to 9.5 months. So that 2.5 months is your free time to work full time, look for jobs, or just roam around the country. So this I guess we discussed. ठीक है. Important आगे क्या करना है? After this, if you have decided that I just want to explore how to move ahead, IDP and so many other options are your go-to place for this. So यहाँ पे हम media courses के लिए देख रहे हैं. Should we discuss about IT, medical or something like that? Media पे आ जाते हैं सीधा, ठीक है? So media courses, some most popular programs are offered by all these countries at degree level programs as well as diploma level programs as well. Obviously, diplomas will be a bit more specific, but certain students or certain organizations do want a master's degree. So you have to take a call. आपको कहाँ पे जाना है? आप क्या afford कर सकते हैं? आप कहाँ पे ज़्यादा easily adapt कर सकते हैं? Parents कहाँ जाते हैं? So some popular courses obviously communication, mass media, production management, event management, food towards management side. You can click a picture if you want. Film and media studies, communication studies, journalism, media and globalization, public relations is one such which is very popular amongst our students. So different courses इनके अंदर और specialization हम diplomas में ला सकते हैं. Film production, videography, cinematography, all these things. All these are either 1 year's duration, 1.5 years or 2 years. Okay? Start with UK, you must have heard of Leeds. That is Nottingham, very famous, very old, easily 200, 300, 400 years old university. In UK, they only offer 1 year degree courses. So the motto is graduate earlier, get a job. So all these are offering all the courses that we just studied in the previous slide with 1 year. Tuition fee starts from 10 lakhs till 20 or 25 lakhs. उसके बाद जो स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी यू डिसाइड फॉर योरसेल्फ आप कितना पे कर रहे हो. ठीक है? आई कम टू द स्कॉलरशिप पार्ट्स वेरी सून. ऑल GO8, मेलबर्न, सिडनी, क्वींसलैंड, मोनाश, यूनिवर्सिटी इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीस RMIT, ग्रिफिथ आर सम वेरी फेमस which has a very great media school or very great department offering some good courses. New Zealand we discussed. Again, New Zealand offers some of the very finest courses, very refined courses, which have a great return on investment. Victoria University is in Wellington, the capital city. There is University of Massey, University of Auckland, you all must have heard. University of Waikato, University of Canterbury, again a very high-level university. Then Auckland Institute of Technology. It offers very specialized diploma programs as well, which hardly cost you 6 to 7 lakh rupees per annum, or even the whole duration of this course. Okay? Yeah. It is there. There is close to, I'll say, 40 universities in Australia, which accept students. So all universities do offer. There are some specific whose media courses are very high. I guess you all refer to the QS World Ranking in case you decide कैसे जाना है. So it is a private body और QS को randomly judge मत करिए कि नंबर 1 पे ऑक्सफोर्ड है तो ऑक्सफोर्ड नहीं है. बहुत सारे कोर्सेज ऑक्सफोर्ड वाले नहीं निकलते, तो वो आपके लिए कैसे नंबर 1 हुआ. Always pick subject wise ranking. उसको आप टाइम्स लीग पे जाओ, आउटलुक पे जाओ, किसी पे भी जाके अगर आप देखना चाहते हो, ऑलवेज पिक सब्जेक्ट वाइज रैंकिंग. आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी इंजीनियरिंग में टॉप 1 है, आपको क्या लेना चाहिए? मीडिया में चाहिए ना. तो मीडिया में दीज आर द यूनिवर्सिटीज व्हिच आर वेरी हाईली रैंक्ड, व्हिच विल ऑफर यू अ ग्रेट पैकेज ओवरऑल इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टडी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिटर्न एंड सो on. Canada is very popular for the colleges, for the PG diploma. Humber, Conestoga, Sheridan, Ryerson University, Carleton University, Oxford University, and very famous GBC, George Brown College. ठीक है? टोरंटो एरिया में बहुत सारे ये कॉलेजेस हैं जो बहुत अच्छे कोर्सेज देती हैं. कनाडा में 152 में की गिफ्ट इन माइंड. 1 साल का प्रोग्राम आप करेंगे, डिग्री या डिप्लोमा, 1 साल का स्टे बैक मिलेगा. 2 साल का प्रोग्राम करेंगे, 3 साल का स्टे बैक मिलेगा. ठीक है? So ये सारी चीजें will decide in the later stages, but this is not study. Okay. Is it a big decision studying abroad? It is. So I guess it has more advantages or more disadvantages. What does it have? Advantage. Do you think it is disadvantages of studying abroad? No. Mummy, Papa, but Canada भेजेंगे, you can go to Australia, Canada. Disadvantages. I want to. See, we are creative. बताइए.
एक तो घर से दूर
नहीं बना पाएंगे, वो जो फन यहाँ पे दोस्तों के साथ आता है
See, what happens? Disadvantages, एक तो घर से दूर, right?
Festivals.
You know what? When I left my home, I was like quite क्या होगा? But when I entered hostel, मैं घर वापस नहीं आ पा रहा था. And trust me, once you're a hostel है, घर में ना आपको हो जाता है रिटायर फौजी, फिट ही नहीं हो पाता दोबारा. तो रात को 12 बजे मैगी खानी है. रात को 12 बजे मैगी खानी है. रात को 1 बजे दोस्तों के याद है चल यार हैंडबॉल खेलते हैं.
So it happens. Your friends are like that.
At least that friends.
They are not for a month, for a year, friends of a life, right?
Festivals.
Festival, you have a big Indian community there. But
तो यहाँ
it's
से ज्यादा नवरात्रि हमने नवरात्रि को सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया. वो गरबा खेलते हैं. इंडिया से ज्यादा यहाँ पे मनाया जाता है. इंडिया में होली में ट्रेडिशन आप लोग घर पे बैठोगे तो दिन बार विश कर दिए दैट्स ऑल. दे सेलिब्रेट, दे स्पेसिफिकली वो टी-शर्ट डिजाइन करते हैं, अपना क्या कहते हैं पूरा मेन्यू डिजाइन करते हैं हाउ टू सेलिब्रेट. सो वहाँ पे जाके आपको इंडियन फ्लेवर ज्यादा मिलेगा. अचार नहीं कैरी करना, वहाँ पे मिलेगा. वहाँ पे हर जगह अगरबत्ती होगा. आप समोसे खा सकते हो, कचौड़ी खा सकते हो. आई हैव अ स्टूडेंट जिनने समोसे हाथ में लेके फोटो खींची है. जब आप देखा तो और भी सस्ता है समोसा. सो इट इज देयर. कुछ ऐसा दूर नहीं है. पेरेंट्स आपको रिजेक्ट करेंगे. You will feel more connected to them once you're aware. Obviously, we realize क्या reaction है, क्या reaction है. So, I do not see it as advantageous.
So what did you see the current?
Alright. So, how to move ahead next step? Am I audible now? Okay. Next step, how to move ahead? First, I guess you are in your second, third, fourth year जो अभी आप लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. Second year, right? So, the intakes will just come to that. जब भी आपका कोर्स स्टार्ट होने वाला है किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में, you start keep 1 year in advance of that. Let's say there is a fall intake very famous which starts from September. अभी के लिए September 2020 is the intake that is going on. Okay? So September 2020 के लिए जो officially काम शुरू हुआ था, profile building, applications started from September 2019. So that is the ideal time जब आप सारे documents कागज लेकर ready हो जाते हो apply करने के लिए. It does not mean तभी हम देखेंगे. उससे पहले आपको अपना homework करके रखना है. Is my SOP ready? Is my LORs ready? Is my essay ready? Have I secured? Have I shortlisted the universities? Have I decided where I want to go? So now is the time for you guys to decide on the course, on the university, on the colleges, and how are you going to finance your studies. This itself on parents, relatives, education loan, how to spend. Okay. So 3 intakes we just missed at the last slide. Fall, spring, summer. We discussed at fall, that is September 20. सब बहुत सारी कंट्रीज का मेजर इंटेक फॉल होता है. जिसका फॉल मिस आउट हो जाता है, बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज फॉल में नहीं करके कुछ कोर्सेज स्प्रिंग में रन करती हैं. स्प्रिंग इज जनवरी और फरवरी. ऑलराइट, जनवरी और फरवरी. ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ स्प्रिंग इंटेक. देन वी कम एट समर इंटेक. समर इंटेक होता है मई, जून या जुलाई. ठीक है, ये मिस हुआ, देन वी अगेन गो फॉर द फॉल इंटेक. सो दिस इज 3 इंटेक्स, बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कौन सी कंट्रीज कौन सा इंटेक आपको दे रही है. 8 to 10 मंथ्स का प्रिपरेशन है. यूनिवर्सिटी शॉर्टलिस्टिंग सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट. इससे पहले मैं जाऊंगी कंट्री शॉर्टलिस्टिंग. वी हैव नॉट डिसाइड ऑन द कंट्री. ठीक है, सो एक्सप्लोर विद एवरीथिंग. फ्रेंड से बात करो, फैमिली से बात करो, काउंसलर से बात करो, व्हिच कंट्री. देन कम टू द यूनिवर्सिटीज. किस एरिया को टारगेट करना है, किस बजट में जाना है, किस कोर्स को टारगेट करना है, कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज है. एडमिशन टेस्ट 2 वेरी पॉपुलर. एक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जिसमें आईएलटीएस, टोफल ये सारे टेस्ट होते हैं. सेकंड इज एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, इसमें जीमैट जीआरई होता है. इन योर केस में रिक्वायर नथिंग, वी जस्ट रिक्वायर अ पोर्टफोलियो. अगर कोई ऐसा कोर्स आप करोगे जहां पे पोर्टफोलियो की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. इफ नॉट, देन ऑब्वियसली सर्टेन कोर्सेज लाइक कम्युनिकेशन, पीआर, they might take a video based interview. They just want to check how as a personality you are, how good communication skills you have. So something additional will be there, but not a written examination. So no GMAT, GRE, some other aptitude test, but IELTS will be required in countries like New Zealand, countries like Canada, countries like Ireland. US waiver देता है, UK आराम से waiver देता है IELTS का भी. ठीक है? So prepare application file. We'll share a list of documents. Basically, we require 10th, 12th graduation mark sheets. Your CV, whatever you have done till now. We require, if the English language examination is required only, then we require. Without that, you can also submit application. We require require an SOP, that is a very important document, statement of purpose. It should not be a very lengthy epic. मतलब कि नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैंने क्या क्या किया, कैसे कैसे किया. It should be a very brief statement stating कि ये कोर्स मैं क्यों करना चाहता हूँ. Why this course and why am I a good candidate for that? Letter of recommendation, pick any 2 teachers जिनसे आपके बहुत अच्छे रिलेशन है, जो आपके लिए तारीफ के 2 शब्द लिख सकते हैं एक लेटर में. So those LORs we require as a kind of proof references. Once you have got all these documents ready, we can see the submitted application online. Application submission सारी चीज IDP करेगा, ठीक है, या काउंसलर will do it. So requirement, IELTS हर कंट्री मांगती है, कुछ कंट्री वेव ऑफ भी करती है. जो कंट्री वेव ऑफ कर रही है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया कर सकता है, यूएस कर सकता है और यूके करता है. So without IELTS, you can, if you just want to skip the test, you can. With your course, we are not looking for a GMAT or a GRE at a master's level. ठीक है? TOEFL is very let's say popular for US. जिनको US focused है वो TOEFL देते हैं. जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया न्यूजीलैंड focused है वो इंग्लिश में PTE देते हैं. Pearson's test for English. Okay? GMAT, GRE. GMAT is for business related courses at a master's level. GRE is for technical related, IT related courses at a master's level. So for your case, we require nothing. SAT we require at a UG level, so we should skip this.
Okay, the next slide is an interesting one. Who will guess it?
Scholarship.
Bingo.
So we all require scholarships. We all need scholarships, right? So scholarships किसको मिलती है? या कैसे मिलती है? क्यों मिलती है? So some basic things that have to be kept in mind. How university assess your profile will be आप कहाँ से क्या क्या पढ़कर आए हैं. आपने अपना 10th कंप्लीट किया है, अपना 12th कंप्लीट किया है, अभी आप अपना अंडर ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं. So they'll check 10th 12th किस बोर्ड से है, क्या मार्क्स है. They will be keeping in mind कि 10th और 12th का स्कोर क्या है. IELTS का वेवर आपको चाहिए तो आपका 12th का इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का स्कोर देखा जाएगा. आप लोगों का 70 80 90 95 भी आया होगा इंग्लिश में. CBSE में तो और अच्छे से स्कोर आता है. They will check it. कैसा स्कोर है, कौन सा बोर्ड है, इज इट CBSE बोर्ड, इज इट स्टेट बोर्ड, कहाँ से आपने किया है. थर्ड आ जाता है यूनिवर्सिटीज. यूनिवर्सिटीज सेक्शन वाइज इंडिया में डिवाइडेड, सेक्शन 1, सेक्शन 2, सेक्शन 3. On the basis of that, they have got a minimum criteria that we minimum want 60%. Some university accept 55%. There are some good university which accept, जैसे DU दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी है, मुंबई है, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी है, बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, IP यूनिवर्सिटी है, UPTU है. इन सब में they are ready to accepting 50%. ठीक है? So minimum we require 50% for you to be eligible. In case you do not meet the 50% criteria, there are good universities and good options available. अगर आप किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में डायरेक्ट एंट्री के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, there are some very short term courses we call pathways. 6 months, 8 months, 9 months के courses. You take those pathways which आपका 55% है, university is asking for 60%. For to just make up that gap, you attend those 6-8 months का एक course, pre-masters जिसको हम बोलते हैं, pathway हम बोलते हैं. This is readily provided by these universities only. You complete those pathways, you get an entry in that. Okay? So scholarships सबसे पहले background, is it making sense to your masters? मैंने B.Tech कर लिया, अब मैं जा रही हूँ डिजाइनिंग में. ठीक है, मैं जा सकती हूँ, ऑब्वियसली कोई मना नहीं करेगा, बट आई शुड कन्विंस द सामने वाला एडमिशन टीम कि मेरा क्यों मन चेंज किया और मैंने अपना करियर इसमें क्यों डिसाइड किया. इफ यू आर कन्विंसिंग विद दैट पीस ऑफ पेपर व्हिच वी कॉल्ड एन SOP, आपको स्कॉलरशिप 100% तक मिल सकती है. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज SOP. So do not think 90% वाले को मिलेगी, मतलब 60% I'm just eligible, मुझे नहीं मिलेगी. It is never the criteria. Only and only if you can convince that why am I looking for this program. What is this course? Do I even understand? या मैंने सिर्फ सुना रहे business analytics करना है वो करते हैं. IT हब है तो IT करेंगे. Do you even understand what that course is? What are you going to be taught? What are the let's say specializations or what are the divisions that you are going to go ahead? If you can just explore that course in detail, that I understand this course, I am here now, I want to go to this point now in that 1 year, and after this my short term goal is this, my long term goals are this. इसको बहुत क्लियरली आप लिख दीजिए. आपका स्कॉलरशिप डिसाइडेड है. यूनिवर्सिटी आपको इनवाइट करेगी, आ जाओ हमारे पास, वी नीड यू. ठीक है, आपका एक पेपर जिसमें 60% 90% डिसाइड नहीं करता है. इंडिया में रोड लर्निंग करके लोग आराम से 95 99 लेकर आ रहे हैं. दे वांट दैट हाउ इट शुड नॉट बी प्लेजराइज्ड. यू नो व्हाट प्लेजरिज्म इज. दे हैव गॉट ग्रेट टूल्स देख लेंगे जहाँ पे एक लाइन पे आपने कॉपी करी। सो प्लीज किसी का कोट्स मत लिखना, अब्राहम लिंकन वंस सेड, आइंस्टाइन वंस सेड, जो बोला बोल दिया आप अपना बोलिए, ठीक है? So make sure. So SOP should be not about your past. Your past is there in your CV. SOP should be about present and future. More about future. Where is this course going to lead me? Why this university is going to get me there? यूनिवर्सिटीज की तारीख उनको पता है कि आपकी रैंकिंग इतनी है, आप यहाँ पर हैं, तो उनको उनके बारे में ना बताकर हमें अपने बारे में बताना है, ठीक है? So this is the thing that is going to get you those scholarships. You have to justify. And there are some other scholarships के application as well which ask, why do you need this scholarship? You can show that economically मुझे चाहिए, या it will help me get these things done. So many things are there, ठीक है? First and foremost कि आप अपना थोड़ा सा career path उनको बताइए कि मेरा background क्या था और मैं आने वाले टाइम पे क्या करूँ. Winning merit-based scholarship. So these are some famous scholarships around the world. Tata scholarship followed by जो हमारे Tata groups है उन्होंने किया है. Shivni is UK government का scholarship which covers everything. Tuition fees, living expense, airfare, everything. Erasmus scholarship for यूरोपियन अब्रॉड एक्सचेंज वाले बच्चे, यूके से पढ़ के आप किसी और यूरोपियन कंट्री में जाके 6 मंथ्स या 12 मंथ्स का कोर्स कर सकते हैं, तो आपको एरास्मस स्कॉलरशिप मिल सकती है. रॉयल सोसाइटी, यूके हैज अ रॉयल सोसाइटी, वी ऑल नो ऑफ दिस. सो देयर आर सम स्कॉलरशिप्स ऑफर्ड बाय देम एज वेल. ह्यूबर्ट हम्फ्री स्कॉलरशिप्स, महात्मा गांधी स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम, हर कंट्री के लिए ये है. सर्टेन कोर्सेज आते हैं, सम फॉर सम कोर्सेज व्हिच आर वेरी वेरी लेट्स से क्रिएटिव. इनलैक्स स्कॉलरशिप, आपने इनलैक्स का नाम आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, ठीक है? So visit their university, these companies' websites, these foundations' websites. You'll hear what is the criteria. These are very very competitive. September 2020 के लिए इनकी डेडलाइन November 2019 में खत्म हो चुकी थी. So 1 से 1.5 साल पहले आपको सोच के रखना है, ठीक है? You cannot decide now कि मुझे सितंबर में पढ़ना है. अगर एक प्लान डिसीजन लेना है, प्लीज स्टार्ट कम से कम 1 to 1.5 years early. Okay? So I guess we covered the universities, the countries, the entry criteria, the scholarships, and रहना कहाँ पर है, कितना है, क्या है. Are we missing out anything that you wanted to know for study abroad? Why study abroad? Please let me know if we want to discuss anything that we missed out.
Any questions, guys? We are here for you only. So any questions, please. Okay. So ठीक है. Yeah.
For the jobs.
For the jobs,
For the
right?
jobs.
So what happens? All these universities, very important question. I'm so sorry, Mr. that. So for the jobs, what happens? All these universities, इंडिया में नहीं है कि हम इंडिया में पैकेज देते हैं. CTC एवरेज इतना है, इस पे हम डिसाइड करते हैं कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी है. So all these universities readily organize every 2 or 3 months में career fairs. These are very famous cities where these universities are located. And वहाँ का जो prime किसी employer का prime source है resources को लाना, वो universities है. यहीं से आप hire किए जाते हैं. First thing, सारी की सारी पढ़ाई में internship integrated है. You are just going to college for 2 days. You are working with a company for the next 3 days of your week. So closely working with the industry. So अगर आपने at the end of 1 year आपने कम से कम 10-12 इंडस्ट्रीज में जॉब किया है, कंपनीज में जॉब किया है, you are ready to understand और you are ready कि ये कंपनी मुझे पसंद है, ये जॉब प्रोफाइल मुझे पसंद है, मुझे यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है, and you already have your contacts. HR मुझे पता है, यहाँ का लेट से मुझे सीनियर मैनेजर पता है, I will be going for that. In case it don't work via that, जो आपके सीनियर्स हैं, जो आपके लेक्चरर्स हैं, प्रोफेसर्स हैं, these are very very big people in that department. उनके रेफरेंस से आपकी जॉब्स लग जाती हैं. Just make sure you have a good connect with them. In case the second thing does not happen, हर दूसरे तीसरे महीने में करियर फेयर ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं. They invite companies, they put it on the online portal. आपका सबका ऑनलाइन पोर्टल बनेगा कॉलेज में. ये पार्ट टाइम और ये फुल टाइम जॉब्स हैं. If you are meeting the criteria, immediately apply. You will be called for an interview and you go there. ठीक है? This is the third. और इन तीनों को मिला के कम से कम हर यूनिवर्सिटी में 95% बच्चा प्लेस हो जाता है. Out of 100 eligible students who are sitting for placement, 95-96% do get placed in their desired job with the minimum wages criteria. For those few who do not get placed, this is the PSW which comes into effect. 2 साल stay back, 3 साल stay back, 4 साल stay back. Enough time to look for a job with a developed nation like these. So अगर 3 साल में US में जॉब नहीं लग रही है, तो क्या US की गलती है? कुछ ना कुछ हमारे अप्रोच में गलती है. ठीक है? 95% students are getting job itself in the study year only. नहीं मिला तभी PSW का मॉडल आया, because if it's investing 20-25 लाख रुपए, थोड़ा सा श्योरिटी चाहिए. So make sure पढ़ाई के साथ प्लेस हो जाओ. Make sure day 1 से you are working towards job. We have seen the only feedback we get from the universities कि students are coming, students are just doing everything but not going to the international placement cell for job opportunities. पढ़ाई खत्म हो गया, अब मुझे जॉब दिला दो. एक 25 लाख रुपए की जॉब एक इंटरव्यू से नहीं लगती है. Day 1 से just make sure you have good connects with the team. डे 1 से आप जाइए, सीवी पे काम करिए, इंटर्नशिप्स करिए, प्रोजेक्ट्स करिए, ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज सीखिए, सो दैट यू आर जॉब रेडी बाय द एंड ऑफ दैट वन। ठीक है, पैकेज मिनिमम इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट्स विद 18 लाख, 20 लाख, 25 लाख रुपए इंटर्नशिप्स जो आप एक साल की करते हो अगर इंटीग्रेटेड होती है। पैकेज 40, 50, 60, 70 लाख से सीआर तक जा रहा है। यूएस में आप आराम से पैकेजेस सुन पाएंगे, इस सीआर 1.5 करोड़, 2 करोड़, तो वी कैन नॉट जस्ट डिसाइड कि 10 से 12 लाख का पैकेज चल रहा है, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है। ठीक है, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, आप क्या कर रहे हो। प्लीज।
So guys,
I'm in accordance with the same query that she asked. Yeah. What if we go not to study and after that, so carry on, but after that we plan to come back to India for a job?
Right.
How does that process work?
How does that
Why
process work?
study law
Right,
and
right.
study?
Because not every student I counsel, not every student has a purpose of PR or settling down there. बहुत है कि मेरा फैमिली बिजनेस है, मुझे करियर यहीं पे बनाना है, मुझे इंडिया में ही रहना है, जो भी करना है। ठीक है, you go for a good education because obviously getting that level of education in India is quite impossible unless IIM, IIT में नहीं जा रहे हैं हम लोग, और उसमें जाना मुश्किल हो जा रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा। ठीक है, for India. Once you go there, get a degree, that degree is obviously 1000 times more valued than India का किसी भी रैंडम उसी लेवल के कॉलेज का डिग्री है, उतने ही पैकेज का डिग्री। ओके, बट इट इज एन एविडेंट फैक्ट कि उस डिग्री पे, उस लेवल पे अगर वहाँ पे आपको 1 CR आपको मिल रहा है तो इंडिया में यू आर लुकिंग एट 60-70 लाख ओनली। पे पैकेज में डिफरेंस होता है एज पर इंडिया का लेवल का एंड एज पर इंडिया का मार्केट कैसा चल रहा है। सो यू विल बी पेड अ बिट मोर देन, यहाँ पे कम मिलेगा, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा मिलेगा, लेकिन इंडिया में वही चीज़ करेंगे जो इंडिया में मिलता है उससे कम 4 गुना ज़्यादा मिलेगा। ठीक है, सो इंडिया में 10 लाख का पढ़ाई कर रहे हो और वहाँ पे अगर आप 30 लाख खर्च कर रहे हो तो मेक श्योर कि रिटर्न में आपको 4 गुना ज़्यादा आना ही आना है। If you are doing the right things, if you are missing out on classes, you are not attending, you are not submitting your projects on time, nobody is going to run after you. कोई नहीं है टीचर की डेडलाइन है सबमिट करो, आपको जाके अपना काम करना है, वरना they are more than happy to give you a 0. उनको आपसे, आपके परफॉर्मेंस से उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। They are very big entities working on live projects, रिसर्च वो लाइव कर रहे हैं तो उनके पास अपनी बहुत सारी चीजें करने को, आपको वहाँ के रिसोर्सेज यूटिलाइज करने हैं अपना करियर बनाने के लिए, और 100 में से 95 बना चुके हैं। यू डिसाइड मैं 95 में हूँ या 5 में हूँ। यू डिसाइड वो PSW मुझे चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए। मेक श्योर कि PSW आप ना लो, मेक श्योर कि मैं जो 1 साल पढ़ने गई हूँ मैं उसी में अपना काम करूँ। ठीक है, एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस? Hope we covered everything on an initial stage, right? That you wanted to know about study abroad.
okay, so session हो गया. Now there's a homework. 1, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. You have to go and search IDP India and IDP Noida. Make sure you subscribe and like it because you will get timely updates. क्या हो रहा है? Because एक साल में बहुत सारे updates आएंगे, right? You will get policy updates. कौन सी country में क्या change आ रहा है, right? And then you have our landline numbers. You can call on that for any of the telecom conference, counseling and all. वैसे भी जाना है, it's your choice, but you can call up and take the counseling. कोई problem नहीं है. You can walk into the office. It's in sector 18 only. ठीक है, happening location. So when you come to chill out, come to our office.
Personally, I sit in Noida. So Noida अगर आओगे तो मेरी काउंसलिंग नोएडा में मिलेगी, रजौरी में नहीं मिलेगी, नेहरू प्लेस में नहीं मिलेगी। ठीक है? Yes, all right, all right. So it is just this thing. IDP has 4 offices in India: Gurgaon, Nehru Place, Rajouri, and
40 in India, 4 in Burma. Fine. So one, you have to do that. Second, 29 Lalit, Barakamba Road, the Lalit, it's over there, Barakamba Road. We are having a seminar on US, careers in US, right? Because Trump is coming on the month end. So we are having a seminar in line with that. So I would like to invite you all. But for that, you have to call and register first. You have to reserve your seat, right? So 29, 11 to 1. 11 to 1, 29, right? The Lalit Barakamba Road. And if you come there, you will get to know so many things about visa because someone from Visa High Commission will be there, right? And other than that, just call up and register yourself first so that you will get timing, right? So any doubt you can call up. Thank you.